What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Flamingo, gonna do a room tour of the Flamingo Executive Room and room number 28129. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the entryway, come in and immediately to the right of your entryway is your closet. So you do have the updated design in these Flamingo rooms. So here you have some drawers. So if you need to store some things, you've got 3 drawers on this side. Then your hangers are over here. Slide these doors across. And then on the other side of the closet, you have your iron and ironing board. These doors seem a little loose, but that's cool because at least they move. But you've got your iron and ironing board and a luggage rack as well. Directly across from the closet, you have your nice bathroom. So coming in, you've got a clean update. You've got your mirror with the backlights around it. You have a single vanity sink here. And then next to your single vanity sink, you have a vanity mirror. So if you need to glamify yourself and have that close up, you've got the option. And then they have the dispenser, so you have some lotion there as well. And then on the other side of your sink is the toilet. And then below you have your towels and then some extra space if you need so. And then across from the sink, you have your walk-in shower. So these are one of these walk-in showers that aren't fully closed or with the door, it's open. We've still been trying to figure out why, but this is that style. They actually have dispensers for you instead of the bottle. So you've got shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash with the clean white tiling. And then you have your shower head above. You have a nice size shower head. So really nice walk-in shower. You do have the curtain to close it off, so at least they do give you the sliding curtain instead of a door. But that is your bathroom. So we'll head on into the main part of the room. And as you come into the main part of the room, if you do have a connecting suite, this right here is your connecting access point with your full body mirror so that you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. You gotta stay fresh in Vegas. But that will be your connecting door. And then once you come in to the left, you have a work desk space here. So if you're here on business or you just need a space to do some work, you have a desk here with a chair. And then here you have your king size bed. So real nice, comfortable bed. And the biggest difference between these executive rooms and then the Flamingo rooms is just the space, which I'll show in just a second how it compares. But directly across from your king bed, you do have your flat screen TV, wall mounted. And then down below, you just have some more storage. So you've got some space down here if you need to store some things. And behind these 2 doors, this one you actually have your in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, that is there for you. And behind this door, you do get an empty mini refrigerator. Now I know some people have been saying of recent that they haven't been including the empty mini refrigerators in some of the Caesars properties, but as of today, you do still get an empty mini refrige. I didn't ask, it just came standard. So we'll keep eyes out to see if reports about that change. Now on both sides of the bed, I'm gonna come over here just to point it out on this one. You do have your USB and standard charging ports. So if you need to connect your devices next to the bed, that is there for you. And you also have one over here on the other side of the entertainment space. You actually have USB and standard charging ports. You actually have an HDMI and you can connect Bluetooth. So if you got multiple media devices, you can actually connect it to pair that through the TV. So that's cool. Now here in your lounge space, so you get a chair here. I believe these are 450 square feet compared to either 350 or 400 square feet to the regular Flamingo rooms. But this is where you get the extra space. And you also have a dining table for 2. So if you want to have if you have someone to chill and you want to eat with, or if you want to dine, they give you a table as well as a couch. And then for the finale, you get floor to ceiling windows. Now this one isn't a strip view. This is actually a high roller view, which is still a pretty good view, especially at night with the high roller lit up. But you can also see the Flamingo pool. So you have the Flamingo pool, then you have the Go pool where the pool party is. And then this is the exhibit, the Flamingo exhibit that a lot of people like to check out. So you get a really nice view. And then of course, behind the high roller view is the rest of the city. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.